Hello guys, what's going on guys? Essentially today, we're going to be discussing and talking about the current market situation and the market crash in Counter-Strike Global Offensive following the most recent update, Operation Riptide. Now, if you guys don't know or are new pretty much to CSGO, Operation Riptide is the most new and most current operation in Counter-Strike. The past 3 years, we've been getting these every single year. Seems like Valve is a lot more consistent, and with that, this is the biggest content update CS has ever really seen, especially skins-wise. A lot of things have changed and been upgraded significantly from Operation Broken Fang, but it seems like Operation Broken Fang and Shattered Web had a lot of big details and a lot of things that stuck with those operations that are continuing into the few other ones. It's obviously in Operation Riptide. Now, with all these new skins being added to Counter-Strike Global Offensive and hundreds and thousands of people trying to unbox these all at once, it's going to play a little bit with the market and things are going to drop in price significantly. With all that being said, if you guys want to pick up any of these skins or stickers specifically that are on sale as of right now on third-party websites, while you still can before they start going back to the original price in the next couple of months, Skinport actually is my sponsor. They're fast, easy, reliable skins trading marketplace to buy and sell your skins. They're at 30 to 40% off Steam market prices, which is actually a significant. If you guys are interested, link down in the description below. Now, the Battle Scarred Holo, first things first, I kind of want to start off with that, is from Operation Broken Fang. This was pretty much the most hyped sticker. You were able to get one of these things for around $1 if you played your cards right when the very launch of the operation came out. They rose up to about $7.50. As of right now, they're $2.50 on the Steam market. Now, these prices are not going to be the same as when you come see this video, but they might be a little higher. They could be even a little lower, but don't worry. Do not panic sell if you've bought 100 of these. I have quite a few of these stocked up in one of my inventories as well. And actually, right now is one of the best times to buy into older Operation collections like Operation Broken Fang and Shattered Web. Best example I can give is back when Operation Shattered Web was going on and Operation Broken Fang was coming out as of last year in 2020, you saw gun skins like the Desert Eagle Normangander, which was $12 at one point. 2 months after Operation Broken Fang came out and it was starting, the Desert Eagle Normangander went from $12 to $120 just a matter of 2 months. And it was a big talking point and a big startup of my YouTube channel and how we kind of got to here. I ended up buying quite a few of those when they were $12 to $30 and then just stocked up on those. And then eventually they became up to $300-$400 at one given point in time, which was very, very cool as well. And I believe and I know the same thing is going to happen in history. It's going to repeat itself where we see Operation Broken Fang skins go from very, very cheap to very, very expensive later on during this Operation Riptide. Other skins to note that have dropped significantly in price. The blue Phosphor has dropped $30, not too significant, but over the past 30 minutes at this point of me making this video, pretty much, I would say an hour and a half after the operation came out, it's dropped about $30. I would expect to drop it maybe $50, $60 more possibly on the Steam market in the next little while. So once again, if you're thinking to pick up one of these things as well, these are great for an investment, especially from an operation. Operation skins are some of the best money you can actually possibly make in CS. Some of the safest money as well. Next up, which is with the Steam graph, the AWP FADE dropped $200 at one point during the beginning of the operation. This is just a panic sell. People are going to be panic selling their stickers, especially the Battle Scarred Holos. I know multiple people have hundreds of those, and they're going to be panic selling those like crazy. People could be selling higher tier skins to open stars and try to get new collections and new really, really high tier skins in CS. With the amount of tension and how big this update was and how many skins were added to CS, you should see the market start to move in the matter of probably quicker than 2 to 3 months than we saw with Operation Broken Fang and Shattered Web, obviously going into Broken Fang. In my personal opinion, we should see Operation Broken Fang skins and even going back to Shattered Web skins start to rise again in the next couple months, because with the major coming around, Dreams and Nightmares coming out, another case coming out in the matter of just a couple months, which is absolutely crazy. The CS economy and market's going to be really oversaturated in skins. Not oversaturated, but there's going to be a lot of new options into the game, and that's what I think we needed. We were stuck with these old knives for such a long time, and finally the butterfly knife got a new update where they have the gamma finishes, the lore, everything like that. Now, how has RMR been affected by this? Well, RMR significantly hasn't really been affected too much. Obviously, people might be selling some investments they've had left over to buy the Operation Pass, Operation Skins, some really cheap, stickers and stuff like that from Operation Riptide. The Navi sticker has gone up about $2. The FaZe sticker has dropped to $8 exactly. The big gold sticker has dropped to $5, which is not too crazy, but I mean, these are just prices as of today. I think they're eventually going to go back up, and when the PGL major stickers come out, when the major gets played, these prices are going to be a different story completely. Speaking of cases, the Spectrum case is down to 64 cents. The Horizon case actually went up 2 cents to 14 cents, which is very, very cool. And other skins like the Snakebite case, 46 cents. Those are very, very common at the very 50-cent point, I guess you could say. Gamma cases are down to 38 cents. The Breakout case has actually dropped a significant amount of money, down to 30 cents actually. It's down to $2.20 as of right now because all these new butterfly knives actually just got released. And I would not sell this at all, especially this is probably the number one thing I probably would not sell on this list, which is the Operation Breakout case. Breakout weapon case. Now, if you are interested in buying one of these, essentially they have the old finishes of the butterfly knives in this case, which you cannot get anymore. The case over itself is pretty garbage, but the knives, which you want in it, the fade for the butterfly, the slaughters, stuff like that, you never really can get again. And those are very, very good in value and will be a very good liquidated item to sell if you need to get something moving later down the line from your inventory. Hope you guys enjoyed that little market update as of today and what to do. And if you guys are interested in buying any skins, once again, link down in the description below takes you over to Skinport. I would start seeing the market really start to shift the next week or two when things start to get listed on third-party websites like Buff and Skinport. Have a good day, guys. Stay positive, stay sexy, and out, guys. Peace.